Welcome to the Seymour Rosie channel. Hi, my name is Dave and this is my wife Vicki, and we started our RV adventures in 2020, and in 2023 we went to Alaska. So join us as we travel around North America. Appreciate if you subscribe and like. Thank you. In the last video we left you as we were pulling into Canadian Customs, so that's where we'll pick it up this time. I've been through customs many times, and this one was a little bit unique in the fact that I was transporting a shotgun. And as we pulled up to the booth, I'll let you hear what happened. Good morning.
Hi. Just the two of you?
Yes.
Okay.
I've got a form there for a shotgun that I have in the coach.
All right, sounds good. What's your license plate on your pickup truck? That's fine. Is your engine
Well,
shut off?
Golf Sugar Yankee 7645,
Oh,
I think.
Okay, I'm gonna double check then. Can you roll down your back window?
Yes, I can.
You are so off.
Is that an old one? That might be a plate on my other car.
Okay, I have to double check again.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Sophie. She's looking.
From which state or province?
Which.
I'm sorry.
From which state or province?
Pennsylvania.
Okay. Where do you both live?
Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
How long do you think you'll be here for?
It's going to be 9 to 10 days from here to Alaska, and then returning in late August, early September.
Okay, taking your time to get to Alaska?
Yes.
Okay. Where are you making your stops in Canada?
Well, the first one, Vicki,
It's
what's
Weyburn.
Weyburn, and then I'm not sure till I get to
Laird. We're going to
Laird
the
Springs.
hot springs.
I have reservations there at the hot springs.
Okay, sounds good. Anything staying in Canada, leaving anything behind?
No.
No.
Any alcohol or tobacco with you?
No.
How about cannabis and marijuana?
No.
Guns or weapons with you?
Just a shotgun.
Okay. Any other weapons like pepper spray, mace, tasers?
I have bear spray.
Okay.
I
that's
know
the
pepper
lead.
spray.
Perfect. No gun parts or ammunition with you?
I have 2 cases of 12 gauge shells.
Okay.
10 rounds total.
Okay, so 2 cases of shells, 10 rounds.
Sophie's being a good girl.
But no gun parts though?
No,
Okay, and 1 shotgun, only 1?
only 1.
Okay. Any food, plants, or animal or pets with you?
We have food for ourselves.
Okay. Nothing perishable?
Well, what do you mean by perishable?
Like anything that has to be refrigerated?
I have stuff in the refrigerator.
Okay. Are they from grocery stores?
Yes.
That should be fine.
Okay.
Nothing from a random butcher?
No.
Any
No.
cash or currency over $10,000 Canadian?
No.
Okay.
Made that mistake 2 years ago.
Did you have to do a lot of paperwork then?
Yeah.
I had to do a lot of paperwork. I learned my lesson.
Alright.
Sophie, stay in.
Can I put the back window up? The kitty cat is
Yes,
getting
I got
close.
a
You have
cat.
a cat?
Yes,
Okay.
right here.
You want to see her? She's a Maine Coon.
Of course. Oh, let's see.
Sophie, can you see her?
Oh,
Oh, Sophie.
Make sure. Okay, you can roll it back. In.
Yeah.
Bye. Do you have the rabies vaccination for your dog?
Yes,
You have it.
you have the copy of it.
Oh, it's all in here, hey? It's all
Yes.
back?
Yeah, everything. There she is, looking out. Look.
She is so. How old is she?
She's 4 years.
Oh,
She'll be
wow.
5 in November.
Okay.
Yeah, she's a big girl. If you look on there, she's 20 and a half pounds.
Wow. I've always wanted a Maine Coon.
She is a wonderful traveler.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
We have 2 cats, and they travel well too, but they're
Right.
not Maine Coons, and I want Maine Coons. So.
Yeah.
Okay, what we'll have you do is you see that building in front of us?
Yes.
Park to the left alongside where the other semis are, if there are any.
Okay.
And then come into the office where I'm at, just around the corner.
Okay.
bring the gun declaration form with you.
Okay.
We'll see you inside.
All right,
All right,
thank you.
Thank you
Have a
so
good
much.
one.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So I went inside the building, and it didn't take too long. Paid $25 for a transportation permit to transport it for the next 60 days in the country of Canada. That's transportation permit for the shotgun. So when I get done with that, Vicki and I were on our way into Saskatchewan.
My sunglasses on.
The highways in Saskatchewan are, for the most part that we've driven, very nice. They're straight, they're flat, they're smooth, and we had a great drive to Weyburn, Saskatchewan that day. And when we got there, we got ourselves parked in the campground out of lake. The one unique thing about Weyburn, Saskatchewan is the light poles. They look like wheat. Monday morning. It's 9:32 in the morning. It's 69 degrees outside. Yeah, you can see we're running a little bit of dirt here this morning. But it's a pretty pleasant morning. But we had a real severe thunderstorm last evening at the campground. The Lord was gracious to us.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Range Road 2150.
The truck was pointed into the wind. We did not need to unhook, so we were very secure. But it rained hard and blew harder last evening.
Turn right onto Range Road 2150.
And I believe Google Maps is routing us around a road closure. That's why we're on dirt.
Continue on Range Road 2150 for 4 kilometers.
Look at all the solar panels out there. After a fairly long drive day, we ended up at Rolling Green Fairways Golf Course in Lloydminster, Alberta. It was a 417-mile day, but it was a pleasant campground there on this golf course. And I'll let you look around a little bit as I walk around the course, and I walk up to the 16th green, or 16th tee, and just let you see a little bit. But it was a pleasant, quiet overnight, and we really enjoyed our one-night stay there and had a pleasant conversation the next morning with Dave and his wife, who were also camping. They were Canadian residents, if my memory serves me correct. Good morning out there, everyone. Well, I can actually say good afternoon, because it is noontime right now. We're just going around the city of Edmonton, and we are 2,464 miles into this trip out of Lancaster, on our way So far in our trip, our kitty cat has been very attentive and looking around, and here she's just doing a little bit of playing. So we've enjoyed her. And then, of course, we had to make the always stop in Dawson Creek for the sign, that's mile 0 sign on the Alaska Highway, and we pull into the parking lot and then take our shot. In front of the world famous sign, welcome to the Alaska Highway. We made it. Alright, it's Thursday morning and we're northbound heading for Leanne Springs. And notice, as I was saying, we had a pleasant overnight, had a great conversation with Doug and Joanne out of South Carolina. We met them down at the sign, welcome to the mile 0 sign, and then they happened to be camping next to us overnight. So I had a great conversation with Doug, Vicky had a great conversation with Joanne, and we really enjoyed our time there in Fort Nelson, Triple G Hideaway. But now northbound for something we've been looking forward to for some time, and that is soaking into hot springs at Laird Springs.
Just talking about you guys here laying down. Oh my word, look right here. It's got a bell number around its neck. Right here. Oh my word.
Good. And right up the street, there's some more bison alongside the road. Hey, here we're walking up to Laird Springs on our first visit there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and we'll talk to you in the next one where we take you inside the hot springs. Thank you.